好啦，今日咧講 listening 喎，咁咧我會發覺咧有啲學生咧 listening 啊，即係 A part 嘅時候啊，真係聽嗰啲係好有困難嘅。咁咧其實可以點樣練嘅咧？咁咧我覺得咧就可以揾一啲難少少嘅練習，加埋一啲好有趣嘅，例如 A level 嘅呢一篇。呢一篇係講咩咧？呢一篇係講 art 藝術啊，得唔得？咁咧佢呢條係點咧？第一條我介紹下第一版嘅題目先，我會講少少啦。咁啊第一版咧，佢呢度咧，佢話有條問題啊，即係個教授啦，呢個 Frank 嚟個教授嚟嘅，咁佢就問呢條問題啦，即係有啲聽眾啊，即係有啲觀眾，咁咧就去講一個嘢，咁你就會問啲咩咁樣啦？咁其實呢度咧就會問究竟藝術係點嘅咧？乜嘢唔可以稱為藝術咧？咁之後呢度咧見唔見到佢話咧 characteristics of art，characteristics 即係個特點啊，藝術有啲咩特點嘅咧？呢個咧好靚好正嘅呢篇嘅出得，佢呢度呢個2012年嘅。咁咧佢呢度咧就咁講啦，有一個人咧就會話呢個 it 咧就係個 art 嚟嘅，佢話 art can't be 藝術一定唔可以係咁噶啦，即一定唔會係咁啦。之後呢個教授就反對，梗唔係啦，點解唔可以啊？可以係咁嘅喎，即係呢個係佢個 counter argument 嚟嘅，得唔得？之後咧佢駁論啊，即係突然間咧，即係佢會加埋個 example 啊，咪就係咁咯，好似呢個咁，好好玩嘅呢個。佢呢個人又話啦，藝術唔一定唔可以咁啦，教授又話唔係乜。咁即係咧，呢一陣間咧，即係如果你聽嘅時候咧，你要捉住咧佢啲 can't be 嗰陣，唔可以係咩嗰啲，你就要寫落嚟咯。而佢呢個教授一 disagree 咗之後咧，佢第一句講嘅一個論點咧，就係嗰個抄落嚟啦。咁我呢個唔會播啊，只不過係咧點樣咧？即係如果你發覺 A part 咧，即係個 listening 好困難嘅話咧，何妨咧，即係睇一個廣告啊，即係咧係研究下，因為我哋咧其實好少咧，我哋通常做 reading 都睇啲。即係唔會睇啲 conversation 嘅嘢，即係對話式嘅嘢。咁你睇完咧，你睇個廣告真係明，你知我平時風格啦，就係一定要明。你明咗之後，你當佢少少做 reading 咁，你做咗出嚟之後啊，你要好認真做啦。當然呢個步驟之後，你再播出嚟，你好認真再寫多次。但係你做 reading 嘅時候寫啲答案咧，一定有啲字唔識嘅，咁你要串熟晒佢。你做即係你播嗰段帶之前咧，你串熟晒，再嚟多次。起碼你攞翻啲成功感先，千祈唔好咧一啲好難嘅練習咧，一直播喺度唔識，咁你越嚟越喪失自信咧，其實對你進步係冇幫助。記住學習係一定要建立自信嘅，慢慢。咁咧呢度咧，其實我講完㗎啦，即係嗰個練習方式。咁咧，如果有興趣聽下篇文嘅少少嘅廣告咧，可以繼續睇落去啦。咁呢個咧係好好啊，我覺得寫得，即係冇乜人會睇啲廣告啊，當然有啦，但係咧。其實呢篇嘢真係寫得好好，我覺得。咁佢話藝術唔可以係啲咩啦？咁我哋一齊研究下一齊啊，好正㗎，我覺得。睇下先啊，擺好啲個位啊。OK 啊，呢度。好啦，睇下呢一度咧有啲斜啊，唔好意思啊。好啦，咁咧我直接喺中途入啦。咁啊呢個人咧就話。Not a work of art， 即係乜嘢唔可以 art 咧 ？What it can't be, you mean? Well, I suppose it can't be just a pile of building materials, can it？ 嗱，佢就話啦，你見唔到頭先咪話咧，佢唔可以係咩 ？Can't be，即係呢個答案咯。A pile of building materials。佢話啊，乜嘢唔可以藝術啊？我諗藝術就應該 suppose 應該係唔可以係一堆。OK，a pile of 就係一堆建築材料唔得啦啩？邊可以咁藝術啊？I mean it can't be something like lumps of concrete or steel pipes that sort of thing。佢話咧我意思即係唔可以係 lumps of concrete，即係嗰啲一堆一嚿嚿嗰啲混凝土啦，或者唔可以啲鐵嘅水管，呢啲唔得啦啩？建築嘅嘢一定唔可以啦，即係呢個觀眾咁講啦。咁啊教授點應佢咧？Straight off, I'm afraid I would disagree with you there。嗱，幾型啊！佢話 straight off, I'm afraid， 即係你其實可以記一記 I'm afraid I would disagree with you there。咁你而家當然 oral 嘅時候可以講下啦，即係唔好就咁話 I disagree with you 咁渣啲。I'm afraid I would disagree with you there。咁有禮貌啲講。There are many artworks made of building materials or construction waste。嗱，佢 disagree 完即刻講個論點，咪就係呢個答案咯。所以你要抄啊！呢個你可以話咩 ？Many artworks are made of building materials， 即係好多嘅藝術品 artwork 即係一啲藝術品，係由 building materials 即係建築材料或者咧建築嘅廢料去做㗎。佢話咧 ，One is very famous indeed, and you can find it in the Tate Gallery in London. It's known as the bricks。 and it's made of 123 fire bricks neatly stacked just so。佢話咧我見過啦，咁佢講 example，佢話其中一個我見過好出名嘅就係咧你喺呢個 gallery 裏面呢個畫廊裏面會見到喺倫敦就叫 The Bricks 啊。佢話唔點咧？佢話係123嚿 bricks 啊 ，fire bricks 即係其中一種嘅磚咧 ，neatly 即係好整齊咁樣搭埋一齊嘅，所以可以㗎咁樣。咁你會見到咧頭先嗰個咧即係。翻轉頭咧嗰個問題咧，咁 example 咧就係佢答個 E 嘅，即係咩咧？就係有啲磚頭讀，原來可以係藝術品嚟喎。我哋睇多個啊，咁啊佢話 You're kidding? No, it's there. I've seen it. 咁呢個就話 What about if something's randomly arranged? You know, like the artist didn't have anything to do with organising what colours there are and where they should go. 咁佢就話啦，喂有啲嘢係 randomly arranged。求其啊，隨機啊，隨意整、隨意安排嘅嗰啲位置，唔可以 art 啦話咁求其唔可以藝術啦，係咪啊？即係個 artist 冇去諗下個 colours 係點，亦都冇諗下嗰件藝術品咧嗰啲設計啊嗰啲，即係應該擺位啊擺邊啊。OK， 咁就係 it can't be something randomly arranged， 就係呢個答案啦，唔可以啦啩？即係個教授就話a random arrangement, interesting idea。But I'm afraid I would have to disagree again because I would say that collage is often random and that makes your idea difficult to support. 咁佢就 random arrangement 幾好啊，幾有趣啊，但係咧我諗我又要唔同意你喎，因為 collage 呢樣嘢 collage 咧係一種藝術嘅其中一種嚟嘅，即係其中一種嘅藝術啦。咁咧佢就話：喂呢件藝術咪就係好 random 嘅咯，好隨便啊，好隨意隨機咁噶嘛。咁啊正因為呢個例子令到你嘅 idea， 令到你嘅觀點咧 difficult to support， 支持唔到。之後呢個人就話：嗱呢個字讀 collage 咧，其實佢要你咧即刻諗到係咪 college 咧類似。咁呢個人就話 sorry college no collage that's A-G-E not E。咁即係佢假設咧你要識得類似 college 呢個字，之後佢再講 A-G-E 嘅時候，你識變啦，唔係 E-G 係 A-G-E 啦。咁佢就話呢個咩咧 ？Collage is often random. The artist Sean Arp, for example, once tore up a piece of paper into shreds and then glued them onto another sheet exactly where they dropped. 嗱呢個咧就係頭先呢度咧就話 it can't be something randomly arranged。個教授咧就 disagree 完佢咧，即刻嗰個觀點就係答案。Collage is often random， 佢即刻用呢一類嘅藝術去講啦。咁之後佢就話 collage 係咩嚟㗎？咁佢就話嚟呢個人叫 Sean Arp， 呢個人咧 tore up a piece of paper， 即係咧撕碎佢 ，into shreds 咧即係啲碎紙啊 ，and then glued them 黐去另外一張紙度 ，exactly where they dropped。即係咧你撕碎張紙嘅時候咧，佢咪散開晒嘅落另一度，之後咧用啲膠水黐翻好。呢一種藝術叫 collage， 就 random 嘅，所以 random 嘅可以藝術。OK， 我哋睇多少少，我覺得好正嘅呢篇嘢寫得好有深度。即係以前咧，你會 feel 到咧，以前考評局啊嗰啲A level 嘅時候啊，嗰啲稿哇寫得幾好啊！繼續，即係有深度啊嘛呢啲。嗱佢繼續喂，佢話又唔可以係咩？有講佢話咁佢就話 I know, how about nothing?Or emptiness, you can't call that a work of art。咁佢就話啦，乜都冇或者空嘅嘢唔可以藝術啊啩。咁所以 it can't be nothing emptiness 就係答案咯，呢度咯，得唔得？你要即刻抄咯。咁但係我發覺好多學生咧，原來 listening 係有困難啊，真係。咁係要花心思花功夫研究下啲講稿，之後咧當係 reading 咁做一次。再聽，你當然揾啲難嘅材料啦，唔好用即係咯，咁之後再做再聽咁樣，一定會進步噶，得唔得？同埋好有得益噶。我哋香港人幾時會研究人哋 conversation 嘅英文啊？但係呢樣嘢係好緊要噶嘛。即係佢話 No, is that what you think? But surely space can be art. I mean, it has 3 dimensions, and these can be arranged artistically。佢話呢個教授又話啦，你覺得？Nothing 唔可以 art 咩？喂，但係空間可以係藝術啦啩，所以佢即刻講呢個空間可以 space can be art 就係佢嘅觀點。佢話空間可以藝術。 我意思係 dimensions 即係 3D 啊，我哋平時嗰個 D 就係 dimensions 啊，三維空間啊，得唔得？咁佢話咧呢啲嘅可以 arranged artistically，可以藝術咁去安排佢喎，得嘅喎。OK，佢話 Yes，and there was a famous exhibition by an artist in Paris once, which was just an empty gallery. So I'm afraid some people would argue that emptiness can be art。佢就用一個 example，佢話曾經有個好 famous 嘅展覽會喺巴黎嘅。正正就係一個畫廊或者 exhibition 係 empty 空嘅，乜都冇嘅。但係空嘅原來都可以有藝術喎，咁得唔得？係好呢啲大開眼界啊！呢啲令你即係對於冇讀過藝術嘅我哋啊，我冇讀過啦。咁咧，我哋可以睇翻呢啲題目，我想大家一齊，即係呢啲真係出得好好啊！咁咧，所以咧頭先話咩啊？呢個咧佢話唔可以係。哎呀死啦！我唔記得個佢話咩啊？係唔可以係啲建築物嗰啲材料啦，一定咁佢就用咗呢個去反駁。第二個咧，佢就話唔可以 randomly arrange 啦，隨意喺度安排啦。得就黐翻啲碎紙落嗰張紙度。第三嗰個唔可以係睇下先，我唔記得咗。係唔可以係冇嘢 nothingness。得呢個 gallery 咧，正正就係 empty。得唔得？我講今次 share listening 嘅做法咧就係咧，如果你個底好嘅話咧，咁 A part 咧即係 listening 對你嚟講冇困難，但係我發覺好多同學係有困難嘅。但係有困難要點咧？點做啊？揾篇難難地嘅閱讀理解，唔係揾篇難難地嘅 listening 嘅練習，揾 A level 嗰啲。OK，咁之後咧，好認真咁理解晒嗰啲稿，當你 reading 咁做一次，串熟啲字，播之後咧你要即刻寫翻出嚟，練，重複練，研究過真係明咧，研究過一定對你有幫助，一定要加油。